This is Colin Eason with Pima Medical Institute, and today we're going to take a quick look at how to create an APA reference for a book. Creating a reference for a book is probably the easiest of all the APA references, so let's take a look at how to put that baby together. On screen we have some basic information about the book that we need to reference. For example, we have the author's name, we have the date the book was published, we have the title of the book, and we have the information about the publisher. In this case, the book was published by Wiley in New York City. So let's have a look at how that reference is formulated. As always with APA, there's some golden rules. For example, we always invert the author's name, and we only ever use the first initial of the first name. So in this case, it's Smith, M for Mike Smith. Next in the reference comes the year of publication. As far as books are concerned, we never include the month or the day. We're only interested in the year of publication, and the date always goes into parentheses. Next in our reference comes the title of the book. Now with books, it's a little unusual insofar as the title only uses sentence case. That means that we only capitalize proper nouns. We do not capitalize every single word of the title the way that we do with journals or magazines or even websites. We also make sure that the entire book title goes into italics. That's pretty important. Next in our reference for a book comes the city of publication. If it's a lesser known city, we can also put the state just to clarify which city we're talking about. Then we put a colon followed by the name of the publisher. And that's pretty much it. That's a simple reference for a book. But what about those parenthetical citations, those citations that we need to include in the middle of our research paper? Well, here's a couple of examples. As far as a basic parenthetical citation is concerned, same formula for any form of APA reference. We simply put the author's last name followed by the year of publication. So in this case, it's Smith, 2011. If we wanted to reference a particular page within the book, we'd simply tag it on at the end. So Smith, 2011, page 56. Please note that here we include the letter P in lowercase and a period immediately before the page number. We only do this with books and newspapers. We do not use the letter P and a period whenever referencing page numbers for journals or magazines. So once again, we only use that P for books or newspapers. If that was a multiple pages that we were referring to, we would enter PP, period, and a range of page numbers like so. Okay, so that's the basic information for a book reference in APA.